beach this morning. So exciting. Thank you.
Show the volume, you know.
Which flavor is that?
This is just the normal.
Is the blueberry one like startlingly blue is my question.
Nah, maybe.
Should try.
Happens.
The blueberry one. It's just normal.
Slightly bluer.
What's the name of this beach?
It's called Newport Beach.
Okay, Newport Beach.
We can walk down farther first.
Let's do pier. Here's a dead end, so. Hey, look. Delicious. Oh, that's so fine.
Stick down the grill. You grill it, yeah. Put it over rice and soy sauce. Perfect.
Oh wow, that's a large one. This is a beautiful tree. So we walk all the way through the coast and the beach. We walk on the sand to the second pier for the Ruby's Diner, and we plan to get the milkshake here.
That's good.
I prefer the texture of that one, but the taste of this one.
I agree. And someone's got to eat the cherries.
I'll try.
So I'm just gonna try a little bit of this.
Yeah. Yeah, good thing we only got two.
Would have been a bad time walking back. We would have all like fallen asleep halfway walking back.
I don't like the taste.
You don't like the the cherry? Yeah.
Yeah, we're here at the Fashion Island for shopping. And it's an outdoor shopping place that we're going to explore. Oh yeah, that's true.
Get taken out.
I'm just generally the microphone.
Yeah, I did, but I know I live right there, so every time I like turn on the I'm like, is there one over there?
Actually, you guys are all feel free to straight to it. You can just pasta sauce or marinara sauce.
It's
very hot.
If I put enough lovage, pepper, like ratios, I've got no idea. So that's it.
Lovely. It's 4. You want 6?
I know, I don't know.
Your palate, yeah.
Honestly, I'm not used to ice water.
That's an American thing.
I've noticed like every time we've been offered water,
it's ice water.
Yeah.
Okay. Enjoy.
Well, thank you, Nathan. It smells delicious.
Thank you. Enjoy it.
We just finished dinner and we walked down to the beach to see the sunset. Golden hour right now and so cozy. It's not every day we get to see pelicans.
Buy boats happening. That's the time in which they buy it, and the time in which they set up.
Yeah. So I think chartering will be the best in the future if I really want to do it. I know in like Marseille, France, they have some really good companies out there. You can like go charter a catamaran for a few days. You go like sail to the beach. I think David will look good with that kind of vehicle.
They're blowing the wind.
Yeah. So imagine like this, instead of like a big block on it, it's a triangle sports car on top of it.
Climbing on the rocks and going back home and say goodbye to this. Say goodbye today. We decided on a really lazy morning today and we only went out around like 11:30. We're here at the Laguna Beach, but it is extremely foggy today. Can't really see anything.
Look at that! Wow, that is immense.
Yeah, we've got our barbecue. We've got 4 different children. And we have the pork, fried beef, and also sausage.
Oh, it's easy.
We get some mac and cheese and chili as the side.
I'm going to type that.
Then after lunch, we just came out to walk around the cute neighborhood. It's a historical site. Surprise, surprise, we're going to the beach. And I'm wearing my bikini underneath, but I honestly don't think that I'm going in because it's only 18 degrees Celsius and the sun is a bit blocked by some foggy and it's quite cloudy. But for my friend, he is quite insisting everyone to get in and he is going in, I think. But we'll see. He's getting in. Oh my god. When did I win? Okay. Ah, no! No! Wow! Oh! There she's going in this. Oh my god. No, there's no way for me to get in. This will be the furthest I'm going to. Yeah, let's see. It's already in the water. Now it's the rugby moment. You ready? Frisbee time!
Looks like it's on fire, right?
Okay, we're here in a Chinese supermarket.
Blue and red and white thing.
Vaguely. No?
We'll show you a
Oh,
photo
there's
of it.
plenty in London. Let's do that to you.
How does it taste?
This is sweet.
Sweet and milky, I suppose.
Yeah. It tastes like white rabbit, but ice cream form.
Oh,
It's pretty good. Do you want to try?
Shove it.
Yep. It's not like the car's not gonna roll or run without the seatbelt on.
Today is more like an indoorsy day. We went to a lot of supermarkets, the Chinese one and the Ep1, and now we're in the mall. Sanitizer, but it smells good. Yeah.
Do half and then cut those into slices, yeah. Let's go. Bon appetit. Right? Try it. What do you think about Chicago pizza? So let's everyone choose the one they want to eat today.
If we all swap the pieces now, we have a very multicolored donut.
I guess we could always like trade.
That's just right.
Sure.
Pour on each other's plates.
The event of the day is the ice hockey game. Chili Beers to start the day. We're done shopping and then we're going to go for boat rental. Alright, we're at the Newport Harbor. Going for the boat rental, but rather, as you can see, it's not very good. You feel all the way out. You feel like sailor.
Yeah, no, I used to do a lot of training on here, so. Cool. Very nice. That sailboat that's sailing, like angled already? Yeah. Big sail, they're sailing right now.
Wow, yeah. I just feel like I'm recording that. Down here. Apple rental. Highly recommend. They're all dressed up, as you will see. We're here for special dinner tonight for our friend's birthday.
Yeah. I like the smell of that a lot.
Yeah.
Not bad.
Nice. That's definitely strong.
And this is more like a sausage.
Yeah.
The bubbles, hint of soft citrus. The sweet like a rice one.
It is rice wine. They're all rice wine.
No, but like the
Sake is rice wine.
Chinese rice.
Oh, I see. Yeah, I'm with you on that. The same kind of feeling for all three. So much fun. Yeah.
We all went for green tea.
Yeah.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear David. Happy birthday to you. Woo!